Hey, have you ever used the VPN for any purpose? We all know that what it does, but what if you don't want to pay? Free one are shit and you don't trust them? I have a solution. Let me explain. Hi guys, it's Coding Turbo. In today's video, we will use a Python package that will randomly change our IP just like a VPN so that our device can become undetectable. You can say a free VPN. For most users, VPN is what that change IP for their location, but it also do many more things like encryption, creating a secure digital tunnel for your connection and something like that. VPN is not our topic of today's video. Our topic is the Python package that's called tornet and that claim to change our IP using tor, and in today's video we will test it. So let's go to the web browser and search. If you search the tornet, the first link you will get is for this GitHub repo. You can go to release or you can just use pip to install it, but there is an interesting thing. It is not the only package you can get. 3 or maybe 4 package of same name what to use. Sometimes people can get confused. In this video I'm gonna use this python minus tornet one, because if you go to the repository of this is very active package. And why I'm saying this package also do some releases, and it is very active, and last commit has been done in last week and 43 commit. And one interesting thing is that this repository is made out of, this is not original, idea is borrowed from this repository, which is the most original, like it is from byte breach. So it's what is it, name are the same, but what it say, it is the original package that is written 100% in Python. So that's why I'm saying it is a Python package. So you can use the both, but I will use this. And if you want to know more about or dig deep, so let's talk it. The idea using tor to switch the IPs is so this man here created a project called tornet. What it say, a tool that use tor to change your IP. That is that simple. And another man, which is this, take that repo and work on that and enhance that tornet minus mp. And it is kind of not very maintained package and very latest package. And if you go to the GitHub link of this repo, you will find that it's not available, the page is not available on this link. So we can't trust this package, we can't use this. Almost it is the base package, but this we will use this because it is latest and maintained, and many things about this is very good. And one thing I found reading the documentation, in the original package there is option to change the country, like you can set the country, but in this improved version by they removed that option. And one thing, if you, let's type it, pip install, I have installed some of them, so it is suggesting tornet. Actually it is what we want to use is python minus tornet. This is the latest version so far. So if we install it, it says it is installed, and if we want to use it, and the most basic command is help, almost every package have. So this always throws a error that a package name or a module name signal is not there. What actually is happening here, that these packages are not even designed to work on Windows. They work fine with the Linux distribution. So what I have tested and tried on WSL, and it's worked fine, and you can route that to your Firefox browser that works on your host. So let me, I have, if it is working, let's type IP and it should work. Yes, it is working on my WSL. So in this part I will share how you can try tornet on your system. So for that you will need two things. First you will need WSL2, and second you will need Firefox browser. This is a highly recommended browser to use it. And why I'm using WSL2, because as a Linux user you can directly use tornet, but for the Windows user WSL2 is best choice. Let's start. So first you will need a Python package, so that's called Python python minus tornet. So let's install it. I hope it is installed in my system previously. So let's see. Pip install. Be careful with the name python tornet. If pip does not work, use pipx. It says it's already existed in my system, so try to use it with tornet command. But let's see what it's saying. Yes, it is asking me for the administrative password, and it started. So by default it is started in default configuration, and it is running on localhost 9050. You can tweak some settings, but for now tornet is running and we achieved the first step. In next step we will use Firefox browser to route that traffic into that. So let's use that is the Firefox browser. So let's me maximize it so you can get the step. You have to go to the settings, then search for proxy, configure the proxy. Here you will search for the manual proxy and in stock host proxy. So you have to put the localhost IP address here and port number here, and you have to select the version 5 for here, not the version 4, version 5, and keep everything as it is, and tick this version 5 and click OK, and I'm done here. So let's see how it goes. Let's try to keep it changed our IP. So our new IP should be 185 and 241 something. So let's see what is our IP. Yeah, it is a tor exit. It is our IP what it has changed, and it is a tor exit. Let's see what is our real IP. So I will open some, let's open in private window, and I will put to same website here my IP. Let's see what is my system's IP. So this is my real IP, and it is showing my ISP details, but when you route traffic through the, so this is my routed traffic. So I will compare it side by side. Let's put them side by side. So this is tornet one, and let it load first. This is my system's detail and IPs. This is my system's IP, and this is my tornet IP, and it is working, but it is very slow, and you can say it is a tornet. It is routing your traffic through the tornet. So tornet networks are considered very slow because of so much of mesh networks, but it is working what it had said. So, and if we jump onto package, so let's explore the some features and options in tornet package. If you type tornet, it will start in default mode, and if you type minus help, it will show you something help like -IP to display your current IP, and -- stop to stop all the task is going on in background, and like -- count to how much you want count, and interval. If I want to like tornet -- interval, let's set its take interval in seconds. So it lets us 60 seconds -- count in 60 seconds change 10 times. So what it will do, it will start tornet and change my IP in 16 seconds 10 times. That basically what it do. Let's see, it is changing the IP in real time now. This is my routed traffic. So my new IP is actually when tornet starts, so for a moment it exposes your real IP. So you should be careful when you switch off and restart tornet. It's taking so much of time because of one more thing. You should have a decent speed internet connection to feel it working. Like on the bad internet, it's feel like it's not working. It's taking so much of time. So in conclusion, I will conclude that tornet is working, and as it promised, it changed our IP over tornet, and I'm really impressed and shocked by, and it is really a nice package. So you can use it, but it's never gonna change the traditional VPN. You can still pay and consider the VPN services. So someone, if you want to sponsor this video, please do.